How you been? Haven't seen you in a minute. Does anybody else want to come in? Because I'm echoing and it's pissing me off.
She say I'm echoing.
I feel like I'm echoing.
No, I told you that's that good shit, Miss Alice. I don't know why you keep saying that. It's going through one ear and coming out the other one. That's all, Miss Alice.
I'll show you
Hey, y'all. She's so crazy. Look at now she looking for the stove. What the hell you looking for? You're in the house, Miss Alice. You're not gonna see the stars. She ever looking at you okay?
No.
Oh, what are you looking all around? You tripping. That's some good shit. Oh Lord. Yeah, you know when you see them little dots. Y'all know, under the smokers know when you see them little lines and shit going down like you're in the Matrix and shit. Oh, that's that shit. You be seeing them little lines coming down and shit. I be trying to catch them hoes like, oh shit, I got it. Yeah, when you smoking that bullshit, y'all don't know what the hell I'm talking about. When y'all smoking that shit, y'all be seeing them lines and shit, feel like your ass in the Matrix and shit. Oh, y'all be seeing them little lines going across. Only the real ones. You hear me? Y'all know what I'm talking about, the smokers. Y'all know me. I be seeing them little lines and shit like, oh shit, it's that shit.
Oh my gosh, where's my damn inhaler?
Yeah, y'all know. You ain't gotta tell nobody. I know what I'm talking about. Y'all be seeing them little
I
lines and
was
shit.
looking at pictures of my babies, and then you was like, "What are you looking at?" I'm like, "Well,
You
I
know
don't
what I'm talking
know."
about, Barry? Bars. Yeah, you put yourself you and y'all be thinking why they be talking about make you feel like you're in a matrix. That's when you
Oh,
start seeing the lines and shit coming up. See, I'll peep that shit out. Don't tell nobody else. Yeah. Y'all be having them lines going by, you be
what did
trying
he
to catch
say?
that shit. That's the matrix.
I gotta go back and see what it means. He said Alice on here trying to put a curse on people talking about they expecting
Yes. Yeah, this whole month is her birthday. Every day people represent Miss Ella. Birthday, woo woo.
Yes, Miss Denise, thank you.
Yeah, man. See,
Oh, yeah, Farron, hold on, I'll hit that again. Now that you say that.
oh, I got some shit to drop. Oh yeah, we was clowning. You hear me? Miss
Oh,
Alice, we were acting up crazy one yesterday, Miss Alice, huh?
uh-huh. Yeah. I don't remember yesterday. Was it yesterday?
Yeah, man, favorite cousin. We was
Oh,
acting crazy. Oh,
yes. Yeah. He was, oh my Lord. CB, he was going off on your little kinfolk dude, and
oh yeah, I forgot his show was. Yeah, he was tripping.
Mr. Ant that does the rap.
Oh my god, he was like, ain't no fucking rapper. Oh my god, he was really tripping. Naomi bars.
Love you, sis.
Oh man, he was tripping me out. Oh man, I'm sorry.
You're still turning up. Darn.
Bars.
You owe
Oh,
him a real apology.
we was rolling.
We
Yeah,
were.
with the family, we was just rolling.
Yeah, he even laughed about it.
Yeah, he was tripping with it. Yeah, we was just having a good time.
Yeah, yeah. I said your name. What? What the fuck you gonna do about it? What? Huh?